The police is seeking the public's assistance to locate a wanted man linked to housebreaking and larceny. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is making an appeal for Karen Peggy Mason to turn himself in. He is wanted for burglary and larceny. Karen Mason, also known as Piggy, said to frequent Whitehall Avenue, Red Hills Road and the Meadowbrook area. In a video making rounds on social media, Mason along with another man can be seen removing a number of valuables from a house. Mason is now listed on the Jamaica Constabulary Force Wanted Wednesdays. If you have any information that can assist the police, you're urged to contact the Constant Springs CIB in St. Andrew at 876-924-1435 or Crime Stop at 311. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.